Today, we're going to learn how to create a brand new style of AI video in a very simple and easy way. This video is a complete course on how to make short AI films, covering everything from how to create audio, video, and images. I've explained each step clearly in this video. If you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So let's get started and see how we can make amazing AI animation videos. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and type this prompt, or I will also provide this prompt in my description. You just need to copy and paste it there. Then add this line at the end. Give me a cinematic story on this prompt and add one more character dressed in white. After that, press enter. You will see an amazing story appear. If you want the story to be longer, just type, "Give me a 10 to 20-minute story." Then the story will be extended. Right now, I'm keeping it short to help you understand the process. Next, type, "Give me 7 image prompts based on this story." You will see the prompts appear. Now, you need to copy these prompts to create the images. For that, here's what you do next. To generate images, we will use Leonardo.ai. It's a very good website that gives you 150 free credits and creates amazing high-quality images. Open Leonardo.ai, set the image aspect ratio to 16:9 for a cinematic look. Then, copy the first image prompt you got from ChatGPT and paste it into Leonardo.ai. After a short wait, the image will start generating, and soon you will see the result. Now, copy the second prompt, paste it, and the next image will appear. Repeat this process step by step. Copy the next prompt, paste it in Leonardo.ai. Wait for the image to generate, view, and save the image. Just keep following this method, and your full set of images will be ready one by one. Next, I'll tell you a few important things about Leonardo.ai and how to make the most out of it. Leonardo.ai is an AI image generation tool designed for creatives who want to turn words into stunning visuals. Whether you're working on game design, concept art, or storytelling, it lets you create detailed images quickly and easily. With options to customize style, lighting, and composition, it's perfect for bringing imagination to life. Its user-friendly interface makes advanced AI art accessible to both professionals and beginners. Now, you can see that all the images have been generated. Look at how amazing and cinematic they look. Now, the next step is, I will use these images to create audio and video content. Step 3. Generate audio. To generate the audio, follow these steps. Search for TTS OpenAI in your browser. Open the website TTS text-to-speech. From the available voices, select Tom. It's one of the best and most natural-sounding voices. You can listen to it as a preview.
OpenAI is a technology
Then,
that
go back to ChatGPT, copy the story prompt or narration, and paste it into the text box on TTS OpenAI. Click on Create Speech to generate the audio. After that, go to the History section. There, you will find your ready-made audio file. And just like that, your audio is now ready for use. Step 4. Generate the video. This step is very important, especially the prompts you use during video creation. If you want to create a video based on your story and images, the prompts you used earlier are very helpful. We will use a powerful video tool called Highlight.video to generate the final cinematic video. Follow these steps. Go to Highlight.video. When you first sign up, the site gives you 1,100 free credits, and after that, you get 100 credits per day. Tip: you can use different Gmail accounts if needed for more free credits. Now, click on Create Video. Start by uploading the first image from your story. This image should match the part of the narration or prompt it's based on. Continue uploading the other images one by one, aligning them with the story's flow. Once you're on Highlight.video, here's how you can use your prompts and images step by step. Upload the first image and use this prompt. A big cat is moving, its mouth is also moving, and fire and water are flowing behind it. It's a kind of natural scene. Then click on Create 30 credits. After a short while, the video will start generating. Next, upload the second image and use this prompt. A big cat is running, its mouth is moving too, and fire and water are flowing behind it. It's a powerful, natural moment. Click Create again, and the video generation will begin. Then, upload the third image and add this prompt. A big cat is walking with water flowing on one side and fire on the other while lightning flashes. A striking, natural moment. Click Create, and the video will start rendering. Now continue with the remaining images and prompts as follows. Upload the next image and use this prompt. A woman is moving, the moon is shifting behind her, water is flowing and it's raining. At night, lightning flashes. The woman picks it up and throws it to the ground. A powerful natural moment. Click Create and the video will begin generating. You can now see that all of your AI-generated video scenes are completed. You've created a full cinematic experience from story to images to audio to animated visuals. Final step, editing and exporting the full video. Now it's time to edit the complete video using one of the best tools available, CapCut. Open CapCut, mobile or PC version. Import all the video clips you created earlier. Arrange them in the correct order based on the story. Add your voiceover or background audio from step 3. You can also add transitions between clips, insert text, subtitles or scene titles. Adjust speed, effects and timing to match the mood. Once the editing is complete, export the final video in high quality, HD or 4K. CapCut is an excellent software. I personally use it to edit all my videos. And that's it, your cinematic video is complete. Now I've selected and edited all the scenes, added audio, and exported the final video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back next time with another amazing method or AI tool. Thanks again for watching. See you soon.